नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Rejuvenating text 19 and text 20 of chapter 3, Rushabdev's appearance of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 19, Shri Shuka Uvacha. Iti निशाम्यन्त्या मेरुदेव्याः पतिम भिदायांतर दधे भगवान. Shukdev Goswami continued, after hearing this, the Lord disappeared. The wife of King Nabhi, Queen Meru Devi, was sitting by the side of her husband, and consequently she could hear everything the Supreme Lord had spoken. According to the Vedic injunctions, one should perform sacrifices in the company of one's own wife. Sapatniko dharmam acharet. Religious rituals should be performed with one's wife. Therefore, Maharaj Nabhi conducted his great sacrifice with his wife by his side. Text 20. Barahishi tasmin neva विष्णुदत्त भगवान परम ऋषिभिः प्रसादितो नाभेः प्रियचिकीर्षया तदवरोधायने मेरुदेव्यां धर्मान् दर्शयितु कामो वातरशनानां श्रमणानां ऋषीणां मंथीनां शुक्लया तनुवावतार. O Vishnudatta, Parikshit Maharaj, the Supreme Personality of Godhead was pleased by the great sages at that sacrifice. Consequently, the Lord decided to personally exhibit the method of executing religious principles as observed by brahmacharis, sannyasis, vanaprasthas and gruhasthas engaged in rituals, and also satisfy Maharaj Nabhi's desire. Consequently, he appeared as the son of Meru Devi in his original spiritual form, which is above the modes of material nature. When the Supreme Lord appears or descends as an incarnation within this material world, he does not accept a body made of the three modes of material nature, Sattva Gun, Rajo Gun and Tamo Gun. Mayavadi philosophers say that the impersonal God appears in this material world by accepting a body in the Sattva Guna. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti states that the word Shukla means consisting of Shuddha Sattva. Lord Vishnu descends in his Shuddha Sattva form. Shuddha Sattva refers to the Sattva Guna, which is never contaminated. In this material world, even the mode of goodness, Sattva Guna, is contaminated by tinges of Rajo Gun and Tamo Gun. When Sattva Guna is never contaminated by Rajo Gun and Tamo Gun, it is called Shuddha Sattva. Sattvam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam. Bhagavatam 4.3.23. This is the platform of Vasudev, whereby the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vasudev, can be experienced. In Bhagavad Gita 4.7, Shri Krishna himself says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavti bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself. Unlike the ordinary living entities, the Supreme Lord is not forced by the modes of material nature to appear. He appears dharman darshayitu kama, to show how to execute the functions of a human being. The word dharma is meant for human beings and is never used in connection with beings inferior to human beings such as animals. Unfortunately, without being guided by the Supreme Lord, human beings sometimes manufacture a process of dharma by concoction. Actually, dharma cannot be made by man. Dharmam tu sakshat bhagavata pranitam. Bhagavatam 6.3.19. Dharma is given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead just as the law is given by the state government. Man-made dharma has no meaning. Srimad Bhagavatam refers to man-made dharma as Kaitava dharma, cheating religion. The Supreme Lord sends an avatar incarnation to teach human society the proper way to execute religious principles. Such religious principles are Bhakti Marga. As the Supreme Lord himself says in Bhagavad Gita, Sarva dharman parityajya mama ekam sharanam vraja. The son of Maharaj Nabhi, Rushabdev, appeared on this earth to preach the principles of religion. That will be explained in the 5th chapter of this 5th canto. Thus end the Bhakti Vedanta purports of the 5th canto, 3rd chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Rushabdev's Appearance in the womb of Meru Devi, the wife of King Nabhi. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. हरे राम राम राम, हरे हरे.